Real quick video on how to pull a rear main seal out of a 3.5 Nissan. Very common, very big pain in the rear. Found a little cheat that might help some. Take you a sacrificial screwdriver, bend it up a little past 90. Makes a pretty decent little chisel. Sharpening the edge helps as well. So stick this in one corner. I suggest a brass hammer. Smack it here in the corner a little bit. Twist a little bit. Move it a little more. Twist some more. Heard it pop free. Come on the other side. Pop it free, and guess what you have? The whole seal. So, for those of you banging your heads on the wall trying to get this thing off, this might save you a little bit of time, a little bit of effort. And like, subscribe, share, sing my praises. Anyway, hope it works well for you guys. Have a good day. Bye.